Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Haley and I'm so happy you're stopping by. Today we are going to be deep cleaning, spring cleaning this bathroom. We needed to get in and just get it nice and cleaned. It was definitely overdue that I needed to deep clean, so we're just taking the extra step and really getting this bathroom cleaned. I'm going to be using my Bissell steam shot to really get in and clean as well. I wanted to start out today in this shower area, and I'm just using a mixture of vinegar, water, and Dawn dish soap to kind of let things sit on there. I love using this cleaner. It works so well. So I'm spraying that all over the shower and tub, and then I'm also doing it on this little baby tub as well. Wasey has gotten to where he is really good at sitting. He's crawling, all the things, and so we've been giving him just baths in the bathtub. So I wanted to give this a really good thorough clean, so that way I could put it downstairs and we could put it in our storage. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all cleaned. I wanted to let it soak, kind of get the steam on there, scrub it, and I'm going to do the same with the shower as well, just so that way we can get things nice and cleaned. And then I'm just using a Scrub Daddy sponge to clean, and like I said, the Bissell steam shot, and we're just going to get this nice and deep cleaned. I was going to use a grout cleaner, but I decided just to use my Bissell steam shot because really the grout didn't seem like it was too bad. I will say when I did mop the floors and I used this, the floors definitely did need it. So I'm going to try to incorporate using this on my floors more, because on the little corners you can definitely see where there was more dirt and just build up where the mop can't always reach it. But we're gonna go ahead and get this shower all nice and cleaned. I always love to deep clean my shower head when I'm doing my spring cleaning, and a super simple way to do that is by just using the steam shot. Just the steam helps break up anything that's stuck in there, so I went ahead and did that. I also can spray my mixture that I talked about earlier, and that also helps break up some of the hard water and things like that. That's a good cleaner if you have a lot of hard water buildup to use, and it's more of like a natural type cleaner. I really love it. It's something that I used to clean with all the time growing up. It was something that my mom always taught me to use, and I've always kind of kept that. It's actually a great stain remover as well for clothes, especially for like little babies, like when they have the poop stains, when they have blowouts. That is an actual game changer for stain remover. I feel like sometimes just like regular stain remover that you can buy at the store doesn't get the clothes cleaned, but that one, you can get the craziest things, the stains out. So I always keep it on hand for stains as well as just everyday household cleaning for so many different areas. You'll see a lot in my videos I end up using it if I'm doing more of like a deep clean, so that's why I'm using that cleaner today in here. And I normally would clean the shower curtain, but I actually cleaned it a couple of weeks ago, so I'm not going to clean the shower curtain. And I also cleaned the rugs this past week as well. So those two things I normally would do in my spring cleaning, but I'm not because I had actually just recently washed them. So we are going to put everything back into the shower area, and then we're going to move on into the toilet area. I'm spraying the mixture all in the toilet. I'm going to go ahead and let that soak for quite a bit of time, just that way it's doing the hard work for me, and then I can go ahead and scrub it after. And I'm going ahead and cleaning this over the toilet area. Needed to clean the top shelf, clean the outside, clean the shelves, and just kind of get it a little bit more straightened out. It's not perfect, but it's definitely works for now for me. And then we will slowly get to where we are cleaning the mirror area. I needed to clean the light fixtures as well as the mirrors, and then also while I'm just kind of up on the step ladder, I'm going ahead and cleaning the not the baseboards, the trim by the doors. I love to clean all of the walls for spring cleaning. That's actually something that I do a couple of times a year. I usually do like a spring and fall deep cleaning time for walls. Of course, I do spot cleaning with the walls because I have kids and just, life happens and you need to spot clean a wall here and there. But I would say 2 times a year, I really love to go in and spring clean and deep clean the walls and get them cleaned. Now I'm restocking the toilet paper really quick before we do move on into the light fixtures, and a couple of the light bulbs were out. The one had just kind of twisted, I think, out of place, and then the other one I did replace, so they're all replaced now, which feels so good. It's kind of been driving me crazy and I just kept forgetting to replace them, so I thought today was the perfect time while I was up here already, so I went ahead and did that. And I just, having this bathroom cleaned, it feels so good. It's been on my to-do list that I just needed to deep clean, so it feels good that I went the extra mile and really went in and deep cleaned. You're gonna see here soon when I spring clean my husband's bathroom downstairs. It's going to be very gross. I neglect that bathroom so much because I don't use it on a regular basis. I use it like when I go to switch the laundry and things like that, or if I just happen to be downstairs, because we really aren't down there much. Once the toys are all downstairs, we will be using that bathroom more, and I know I will keep up on the cleaning more because I'll see it and I know I need to clean it. But when I, am not using that bathroom on a regular basis, it's kind of like out of sight, out of mind. So I really need to get into the habit of cleaning that bathroom regularly because I know that bathroom is going to take me such a long time to clean. It is so gross. So if you are going to need some good cleaning motivation for messy spaces, be sure to subscribe to, because that is going to be definitely a messy bathroom cleaning. Just being honest, it's definitely something I'm not proud of that it has gotten to where it is, but life happens. It is what it is. So be looking forward to that, and be looking forward to all of my future spring cleaning videos. So far I've only spring cleaned in the bathroom, in the hallway, and in my dining room. So I still have me and my husband's bedroom, Waverly's bedroom, the living room, the kitchen, the back door area, and into the stairs, and then the downstairs and the bathroom. I should clean also Trajan's closet room and our storage room, but that probably will end up happening a little bit later, not necessarily with spring cleaning. So be looking forward to a lot of cleaning motivation coming your way. I wanted to get it done in the month of April, but I just don't think that's gonna happen. We're nearing the end very fast, so for now we're just gonna get it done as much as possible, and my goal is to just get it done within the first couple of weeks of May, so that way we can really start enjoying the weather outside. But I went ahead and cleaned the toilet, and then I used my Bristol seam shot on the outside of it, got that all cleaned. That's a really good trick you can do if you don't want to take it off the toilet, but you can just get in there and just get all the grossness out. That was so helpful. And then I went ahead and cleaned the walls, the doors, got all that clean, and now we're moving on into the sink area. We're going to get it all nice and cleaned really good, and then we will move on into the floors, get those all swept, and then we're going to use the Bristol steam shot to mop them. I'm just using the Bissell Steam Shot to finish mopping the floors. I love to mop the floors by hand like once a year, and I used it on the edge where like the floor goes up to the backsplash, and I definitely need to do that more often because it just, I guess my mop doesn't get it as clean as it needs to, so it definitely got a lot of dirt picked up, so I'm glad I used that today. So use that if you haven't to clean your floors. It really does clean them. But I'm putting everything back, and then that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys all so much for being here and watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss all of the cleaning motivation coming your way, and I will see you guys in my very next one. Bye guys.